Okay, welcome back to Terrible at Fishing. Today, I've been waiting and biting at my bit in order for me to tell you about something new that is just at the market today. That's right. KastKing has brought out a brand new division, actually revived a brand new division in a whole new way. Madbite. M-A-D-B-I-T-E. Madbite is a new terminal tackle division for KastKing. Yeah, they started with fishing line, got into fishing gear. The Extremist line is sort of an outdoors division, and now today, entering into the tackle. That's right. So, let's go over some of the things that you can buy today at KastKing.com or on Amazon. So, the very first thing is the Madbite species tackle kits. Initially, we've got three or four. We got four. Three. We got trout, bass, and panfish. There's going to be more. I'll wait until later to tell you about those. But right now, I can tell you, because of the release today of these new kits. First is the bass kit. The bass kit is really cool. It's 189 pieces. You'll see it up on the screen. And in these, you'll have just about everything you need, except for a rod and pole, to catch bass. And the hard baits are interesting too. The reason this one costs a little bit more is because of the hard baits. It's $29.99 for this particular box. You got a lipless crank, which is awesome, and a crankbait. So two great baits, hard baits to catch the bass that you want. You've got a great selection of soft plastics as well on this one, and everything that you need to hook it up, both in a Texas rig, Carolina rig, whatever you want to connect it with. You've got grubs in there, you've got tube baits, just about everything you need that you can possibly catch different ways of largemouth, smallmouth bass, or any bass that you want. Next is the Trout Kit. The Trout Kit is very exciting because I live in Oregon, and trout is the main species here in the Pacific Northwest. I still fish for bass, but it's hard to find. But trout, I mean, in my backyard, I've got the largest lake in all of Oregon, the Klamath Lake, the Upper Klamath. And in there, in the next few weeks, I'll be pulling out 10-pound bass or trout out of that lake. 10 pounds. I know. The Trout Kit is really exciting because you've got, of course, your rooster tails and your spinners in there. You've got treble hooks. You've got grubs. You've got shiners, and you've just got about it. You got everything you need to catch trout in this kit. So fantastic. Look at it up on the screen. Really good. I know. And that kit has 162 pieces. These all come in their own tackle boxes too, so they're ready to go. Your next one is panfish. Now, crappie is the best tasting fish coming out of the water, and it's probably the number one eating fish that people like to catch is crappie, or any kind of panfish, but crappie is definitely king of panfish. And in this one, this is really exciting because you got a lot of different jigs in here, but you've got underspin jigs too, which is really exciting. You got, and then you've got, let me see what else we got. Yeah, you've got two different styles of underspins. One's already set up with grubs. You got different grubs. You've got floats in here. You've got stringers. You got just about, I mean, everything you need to catch a trout is in this particular box. So those are the three: trout, bass, and panfish at the moment. I mean, I don't know if they're going to release the next few days. One of my favorite kits, but it's coming. Next is you're going to find two tackle kits, terminal tackle kits. One is 181 pieces, and another one's 214 pieces. And you'll see them flash up on the screen here too. But this is everything that you need in order to set up your rigs for just about anything that you would want. They also come in really sturdy tackle boxes too, and they're not very big. I mean, the boxes themselves are fairly small. Let me see if I can find. There's one here with the dimensions. Yeah, 5 inches by 4 inches. I mean, little things. But they've got bobbers in them. They've got bobber stoppers. One of my favorite things to use. I mean, I got hundreds of these things. Thousands. I don't know what I got. I got a bunch of them, but I use them all the time. You've got drop shot setups on here. You've got split shots. You've got torpedo weights. You've got just about everything that you need, from treble hooks to offsets to nice swivels. I don't know what I mean, this is a nice kit. Now, I've done some initial ordering for myself, which is exciting. I saved up my allowance. I couldn't get everything, but I can't wait to unbox this stuff with you guys. So that's a 181 piece for $19.99 and a 214 piece for $24.99. Oh, did I tell you? I probably did not tell you. But the prices, again, for the multi-species, trout is $24.99, bass is $29.99, and the panfish is $24.99. Not bad when you're considering 177 pieces on the panfish or 162 pieces for the trout for $24.99. That's I mean, I don't know what the math on that is. Well, is it 20? Probably about, a dime each. But that's the exciting news from Madbite. I'm going to put the links down below. Hopefully you can just click on them and check them out yourself. It's a fantastic deal, and it's an exciting new realm for KastKing. There's more to come, just a lot more to come. So I'm excited that I can tell you about these today. I just can't wait to tell you about the next species-specific box that is going to be coming out. So thank you. Keep your lines tight. Please subscribe, like below, and I will see you guys out on the water.